Liangmai Naga Council, Manipur has urged President of India, Draupadi Murmu, to declare Committee on Tribal Unity, Cotu, as an unlawful organization under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UAPA. In a letter which was written to President Draupadi Murmu, Liangmai Naga Council accused Cotu of continuously engaging in making provocative rhetoric and of disrupting peaceful cultural practices. Liangmai Naga Council also blamed Cotu for causing significant psychological distress to Liangmai people by undermining region's public safety and peace efforts by sending out threat to VIP guests who were invited to celebration of Chaga Ngi festival. While objecting to claim of Kangpokpi as their land by Kuki community, Liangmai Naga Council also maintained that Kangpokpi district is the ancestral homeland for Liangmai. However, the illegal immigration of people from Myanmar over the past several decades has resulted to increase of settlement for Kuki population, thereby altering the demographic balance and affecting the ecological and environment of hills in the region, as well as the political landscape of Kangpokpi district. The council also maintained that settlement of Kuki in Kangpokpi have over time led to marginalization of indigenous communities like Liangmai and other Naga tribes. Liangmai Naga Council Manipur had also asserted that Cotu's interference in cultural celebrations coupled with threatening actions has made indigenous population vulnerable in their own ancestral lands. Liangmai Naga Council Manipur further demanded action against Cotu and any individuals that undermine peace, harmony and rights of indigenous people.